The 17 Seng Khasi groups on Monday have urged upon the state government for the construction of the halls for hosting its annual ceremony. The Seng Khasi groups have placed their request during the meeting with the officials of the Art and Culture Department in the presence of its local MLA, H.M. Shankliang. Talking to reporters after the meeting, Shankliang said that the construction of the Seng Khasi Hall is required to host the ceremony, which is being held once a year. According to him, such infrastructure is essential, particularly in the rural areas and in the areas of Mawsyn Ram, which experience continuous rainfall throughout the year.
Commission Secretary Art and Culture has accepted all the representations and has assured that the proposals will be examined and the technical wing will be deputed to the respective places, and accordingly these proposals would be looked into to consider them during the current financial year.